Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be reviewing the steam train that I've purchased recently from Amazon. It's a battery powered train with lights and sounds. It looks like just a real train. It's so realistic. It comes with 4 cars and 10 tracks, 6 curved tracks and 4 straight. 1 locomotive engine, 2 passengers cars and 1 freight car. Now let's open the box. The batteries required are 2AA. So basically that's the locomotive engine train. And it requires 2 batteries from form 2AA. Here where the lights comes, where the steam comes, but there is a light that comes from there, and that's the button when you turn it on and off. That's the freight car, where you can put mini figurines or candy during the holiday if you tend to put it around the Christmas tree. For the assembly, you can either assemble it in a circular way or elliptical way. Depends on the way you want to use it. Like, let's say you want to use it around the Christmas tree, it has to be circular. For me, I used it in a small word play, so I made it elliptical. I'll show you at the end what I used it for. I used it for like a small word play during the holiday season. So now after you assemble it, you can, like, this is the elliptical way.